For the given state of stress, determine the normal and shearing stresses exerted on the oblique face of the shaded triangular element shown using the equilibrium equation approach. So if you want to use the equilibrium equation approach, all we have to do is realize that we are rotating this 70 degrees clockwise, and this we're rotating it what? Well, let's see. This is 90 minus 55, so that's the 55 degrees. So all we have to do is get out our transformation equation, sigma x prime, and we're going to do sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2. Sigma x is 120 plus sigma y divided by 2 plus sigma x, which is again 120 minus sigma y divided by 2 times the cosine of 2 times minus 70 degrees, so minus 140 degrees. So be careful there, that's the only mistake that you could make with this method, plus tau, which is 45 positive, times the sine of minus 140 degrees. Now for sigma y, it's going to be similar. It's going to be similar. 120 plus 60 over 2 minus 120 minus 60 over 2 cosine minus 140 degrees minus 45 sine minus 140 degrees. And then we have tau x prime y prime, which is going to be equal to minus sigma x minus sigma y over 2. So sigma x is 120 minus sigma y, which is 60 over 2 times the sine of minus 140 degrees plus 45 cosine of minus 140 degrees. And then you put everything into the calculator. So 120 plus 60, that's 180 divided by 2, that's 90. Plus 120 minus 60, that's 60 divided by 2, that's 30. Times the cosine of minus 140, make sure your calculator is in degrees, plus 45 times the sine of minus 140, and that's going to give us 38.1 megapascals. So that would be in tension. And then for the other case, I'm going to get 90 on the first one. The second one is going to be minus 120 plus 60, so that's going to be negative 30. Negative 30. And then the shear is going to be subtracted. Everything else is the same. We get 142 megapascals. Okay, and then the last part is going to be minus 120 plus 60, which is minus 60 divided by 2, which is negative 30, times the sine of minus 140 plus 45 times the cosine of minus 140. That's going to be equal to minus 15.2. So minus 15.2 megapascals. So that would be in compression. So let me just make sure that that's correct. Okay. And I hope this was useful, and I'll see you next time to do it with more circle.